Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back in another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you a super cool slack cross mount. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. There's the star cross thing. Before you get into this tutorial, I'm using the one drop terrarium. Otherwise, yeah. So to start this trick off, you're going to roll into your trapeze and then pinch with your index finger and middle finger. With that pinch, you're then going to roll off your index finger like so, making sure that there's quite a big, sizable slack. With this slack, you're then going to whip it over like so, almost like you're doing a negative 1.0 hook. But you're going to give it enough juice so that it will go all the way over your wrist. And then you're able to get this big loop here to go over and through your throw hand wrist as well, like so. All that should look like this. And then from here, you're simply going to swing the yo over this string to land on the middle one. And then pull this index finger through the string on your wrist, making sure the string on the wrist catches around your thumb like so. So as you can see, pulling that string on my index finger through the one on my wrist and then dropping with this wrist entirely, and that should make the throw hand or non-throw hand star. And then you pop from the front and then you combined. So one more time, over onto here, pull that through and then drop everything on your throw hand wrist, and there's the star, and then pop to the front, bind. And yeah, that is the whole tutorial. I'll go through it one more time for you. Trapeze, slack, throw the slack round and around your wrist, swing onto that middle string, pull it through and present the star, pop to the front, and you're then free to bind. And yeah, that's the whole tutorial. So if you've liked and enjoyed this, leave a like, comment, and do all the other YouTubey stuff you always need to do. And yeah, peace.
To the happiness that's just around the corner. I only have what's right in